Emakhosini bogogo nabomkhulu, I would love to speak to abantu njengoba it's festive season, and I haven't been making a lot of videos because busy man, it's family time, it's ukuphumula, we had unyaka nje omkhulu. But the reason why engifuna ukukhuluma nani, it's because abantu abaningi into zabo zimosheka ngoDecember. It's because why they let their guard down. During the year umuntu uzosebenza asave, but December they don't care. They spend all the savings that they made throughout the year on petty little things, on things that they actually do not need, buying useless things, doing useless things. And you're like, but why were you saving all along? So even nagu spirituality, a lot of people atekwa ngo December because you're letting your guard down. I mean, I don't hear anyone saying your consultant on December. A lot of people are saying, no, consultations are closed for this December. No cleansing till further notice till January. A lot of people now, they're not paying attention to their dreams because it's pity. Gunomsindo, ulala ukhathele, ulala uphuzile, ulala after a long drive. You're not paying attention to what your ancestors are saying. Kubhizi endlini, umsindo kugcwele, kuyabrawa. You're not listening, you're not hearing your ancestors. So it's easy even for abathakathi to to attack you, not even ngokwenyama, but through your dreams, because we know that abathakathi can attack you emathongweni. If umuntu afuna ukukenza kabi, ukenza la ulele khona, because that's where you let your guard down. And that's why abantu abasabathayo noma abasonta kashembe banomkhuleko othi Nkosi sigcine engozini esihlangabezana nazo ebusuku silele. There's accidents that you encounter, that you come across ebusuku ulele. And I, for one, I'm witness. I came across an accident in Gilele, and that was the most terrifying experience of my life, because I've never been in an accident. So me having to experience it in my dreams, and after the car crashed, I could feel my body and spirit and soul turning. Then I was there praying inside of my heart. I could feel myself I'm actually involved in this accident. So that's why it was so terrifying. And when I woke up, guys, ngivuke umzimba wami obuhlungu, ngivuke ngishawa uvalo phela bengithukile bangithola ingozi. So I realized we go through things silele, and now we're thinking we're just sleeping and nothing is happening. So do not let your guard down. Pray, phahla, have a quiet moment, even nasemswindweni, where you can just go outside, sit alone. Don't be on your phone. Meditate, think, reflect. Your ancestors are with you. They're listening to everything that you do, you say. You must also listen. Mina ngibabonile abaningi abazamile ukungigadla kulo December, but ngomusa kaNkulunkulu nangothando lweDlozi lami, I'm here, I'm standing. Nothing happened. Siyabona what you're trying to do. And yeah, impilo, anyways, I don't have much to say. But anyways, ningakhohlwa guys to subscribe, comment, share my videos. Emakhosini lesedikhanya qhamakunda.